大家好，我是 Stuart。我学习中文4、5年我很想告诉你们关于Simong's的播客。This is Stuart here, and I wanted to tell you about Simong's podcast and his teachings. I found him to be very helpful over the years. I've been listening to his podcast for at least a year. I also do his Saturday meetups, where he gets Chinese listeners to join a Zoom call, and he's very good at helping you with the vocabulary and bringing you up to speed with the other learners and making sure everyone's on the same page. He plays a lot of games, he does trivia, he speaks in a manner where it really helps you understand. It's very clear. I couldn't recommend him enough. Please give him a try if you're interested in learning Chinese. You can't find a better way to do it. Thanks.